Guess you didn't hear me call the first time, huh?
Huh?
Guess you didn't hear me call the first time, huh?
No, I didn't. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Cooking? What you cooking?
Jambalaya.
Okay, that sounds good.
If you can't tell, this isn't my first time this has happened to me.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're a regular. Okay.
Tried breaking in many a time.
Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
But they're right there on the seat.
Okay.
And it's like the type like where you hit the unlock button and it locks back automatically. So you kind of
Yeah, you gotta pull it quick. Yeah. Yeah, worst case scenario, we'll grab the keys off the seat if we have to. Yeah, I bet you ought to hear everything when you're driving on the road.
Yeah, it's been a busy weekend.
Yeah. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Okay. All right, let's go fishing. Come on, come on. Inside. Nah, really, I look like a rookie right now. Yeah, I wonder.
You've been the quickest so far.
Really?
Yeah. Everybody struggles.
Yeah, the locks on these type of cars, it rolls forward, so sometimes it's hard to get friction on it. It's hard to get a.
Thanks so much.
Yeah. All right, so I'm the fastest. Okay, that make me feel good then. Yeah, she's I'm the fastest. All right, let's open it up. Yeah, let's.
I'm about to get my cigarettes.
Okay.
I've been stressing.
Oh yeah, get your cigarettes. Yeah, the lock on these rolls forward, so that's what the problem is. You got to get in there sometimes and get that to push forward.
I surely appreciate it.
You're welcome. You enjoy the rest of your afternoon, okay? Enjoy your jambalaya.